that eats anything without being picky. Even if caught stealing, Kibow continues to eat without a care. The owner's just served pumpkin on the table is quickly devoured with a few bites. Purple sweet potatoes are also gobbled up eagerly. However, Kibow can't handle the kitchen's cured meat. While gnawing on it, there's grumbling. Watching the owner eat a chicken leg, Kibow rushes up to snatch it. Even dry oats are enjoyed heartily. Dragon fruit is so delicious that it becomes a blur. Xiaolong bao, a delicacy, is not to be missed. Kibow even changes its taste to enjoy crab. At the sound of opening a can, Kibow swiftly jumps onto the table. Even vegetables are eaten with relish. Greedy Kibow even searches the drawer for snacks and enjoys them. When watching food on TV, Kibow licks the screen. To curb Kibow's greedy habits, the owner sets up a table full of delicious food, allowing Kibow to see but not to eat.